Hi, this is Kim Orlando from TravelingMom.com, and I'm here with Melissa Chapman, who is Traveling Staycation Mom and has her own website and writes for several New York publications and other blogs and .coms. Name a few.
I write for Time Out New York Kids. I write for This Real Mom Wouldn't Be Caught Dead Wearing Mom Jeans, iVillage, and I am the columnist for the Staten Island Advance.
Okay, scared of you. Now, that means you must have a travel story. Can you share a travel story? Fun, good, bad, the ugly, any of the above?
I have a great travel story. We had just gotten off the plane. We're going down to Florida. We walked into the Nickelodeon Hotel. And my son was so excited that he ran right into a metal column and got a huge bloody nose, a big black eye, and for the rest of the trip, the entire trip, it looked like we had put him through the ring.
Okay, so most people wouldn't say that's their funniest story, but I give you credit for having a sense of humor when your son is bleeding and alive, right?
Yes, well, because I mean, it was the Nickelodeon Hotel. We were so excited, and like my son, 3 years old, was so he could hardly contain his excitement because the characters were everywhere. He just ran right into a steel column, and I guess all we could do was just crack up because here he is, blood is dripping down him. We just got off the plane. We were just starting our vacation, and he has this huge black eye. And so that was to us. This was like the beginning of like this is the kind of vacation where you're just gonna have a good time because if this is how we're starting,
go, don't plan everything. You just gotta enjoy it. And that's Melissa Chapman, Traveling Staycation Mom. Thank you.
You're welcome.